Raw compute power is the foundational resource of the modern global economy. The expansion of artificial intelligence and large language models requires an immense physical bedrock of server infrastructure to function. This demand has exposed a specific vulnerability. Relying entirely on foreign hardware and cloud infrastructure creates a risk to national security and digital sovereignty. India's Viksit Bharat at 2047 vision addresses this risk through a national mandate to build a self-reliant technological ecosystem over the next 2 decades. Software alone cannot secure a digital economy. True technological independence requires the domestic manufacturing of the actual hardware that powers the network. Netweb Technologies began building the capacity to solve this hardware deficit in 1999. They spent the last 26 years developing the integrated design and manufacturing capabilities the market is currently seeking. In 2005, they deployed Cobru at the Institute of Mathematical Sciences in Chennai, a system that placed them on the list of the world's top 500 most powerful supercomputers. Subsequent projects included the Param Yuva 2 system for CDAC in Pune and the Param Ambar supercomputer for the Indian Space Research Organization. Netweb did not pivot to meet the AI trend. They are an established architect of the systems that make AI possible, with a quarter-century of experience in national-scale infrastructure. The company prioritizes in-house R&D. By focusing on internal engineering, they design the base architecture of their machines rather than simply assembling pre-made parts. Their manufacturing capability is centered at their flagship facility in Faridabad, which began operations in May 2024. Controlling the process from printed circuit board design to surface mount technology production reduces the reliance on international supply chains. This domestic focus qualified Netweb for the government's IT Hardware Production-Linked Incentive, or PLI 2.0 scheme. By managing the most complex manufacturing processes locally, Netweb provides the physical evidence that the Make in India initiative is a functioning industrial reality. That production capacity supports a fully integrated portfolio of high-end computing solutions. Their AI division produces custom HPC clusters and over 50 workstation models designed for deep learning and large language model workloads. The server division offers more than 200 dual-processor models under the Tyrone Camarero brand, engineered for dense computing. To manage high volumes of data, they deploy Skyless hyper-converged infrastructure and Collectivo high-performance storage systems. This fully integrated stack provides the specific hardware tools required by both modern enterprises and national defense organizations. The public markets validated this hardware-first approach when Netweb listed on the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange in July 2023. This growth reflects in their operating income, showing a 66.9% compound annual growth rate, driven by AI demand. Crucially, strategic value lies in their open architecture model. Netweb isn't locked to a single supplier, allowing them to rapidly adapt hardware to emerging technologies. They collaborate with NVIDIA, partnering with Intel and with AMD, while keeping core engineering within India. Investors are looking beyond software trends to the structural value of the company that designs and builds the physical infrastructure. Netweb's infrastructure supports the National India AI Mission and the National Supercomputing Mission. The company's driving ethos, innovative, intelligent, Indian, aligns with the nation's ambition to build a self-reliant technological future. By localizing the production of high-end servers, Netweb provides a physical foundation for the nation's strategic technological autonomy. Netweb Technologies manufactures the architecture of high-end computing on Indian soil, turning the vision of digital independence into a physical reality.